What's up, good people? This is Anthony DeLoach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I'm going to be giving you an update on Omega Digital. Now, if you guys remember, I was promoting this platform a little while back. I was even doing some of their corporate presentations, but there are some vital updates that I know you need to know about. Now, before I jump right into this content, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this thing. As you guys know, Omega Digital has been working fine as far as it goes with the affiliate compensation plan, with you being able to withdraw those, with it paying those rewards and everything else, right? That's been going fine. But here's where the problem has been. The bot has not been performing as it should, or as we expected, right? We were supposed to get up to 45% per month in returns, but no, that hasn't been happening, right? We haven't gotten anywhere close to that. Now, we didn't expect 45% months, right? But we expected a pretty good performing bot, but that has not happened. Well, the company wants you to know that they understand and they acknowledge that the bot hasn't been performing very well, but they are going to introduce a new trading platform. All right. So when you log into your back office, and you've probably been getting a notification when you log into the back office here lately, but this is what the notification says right now. We've geared up for a fantastic Q4. Are you ready? The excitement around an improved trading model is good for you, but truly great for us all. We appreciate the positive feedback, and now as of September 29th, want you to be ready for a shift in results as we plug in the enhanced trading model. Yes, that is correct. September 29th, we not only are improving the trading model, but will improve and update the withdrawal periods and more. Stay tuned, because we know as an Omega Digital subscriber that you deserve clear transparency as well as optimal returns, right? We will update you in a few days with additional details that will prepare you for success at Omega Digital. That is a notification that they have out right now. Now, do I know anything about what's happening and what's to come? No, haven't been in any communication with any of the leadership or anybody at the company. Now, I believe that Gregory Agassiz is a pretty good leader, right? He's a good leader. I told you guys that before. He's led other companies that have been successful. So I think he can actually get this ship turned around. But as of right now, it's hard to refer anybody over to this platform because the passive rewards just aren't there. Now, we're going to see what happens on September 29th, which is tomorrow, right? We're going to see exactly what's going to happen tomorrow to make everything much better. We're going to see if it's going to be a total, a new program, or how that program is going to work. But let me show you a couple of things here about what's been going on with the bot, just in case you guys weren't aware. So if we go and look at the bot earnings, they do have this little breakdown that shows you in the last 7 days, 30 days, and 24 hours is zero, right? 0%. Nobody's earned anything passively through this program in the last 7 days, 30 days, or 24 hours, right? But let's go a little bit further. This is the bot earnings breakdown here. Now, you can see that in the month of June, right? In the month of, let me go back a little bit further, right? Let's see if it'll show me this information. The P&L details for June. All right, that's what I need to see. So in June, the total profit and loss was 15.72%. Not the greatest, but it wasn't bad. We weren't complaining about that. That was the bot earnings for the month of June. But if you go to July, this is what happened in July. The bot gave you a total profit and loss of 3.08%, which is not very much at all, right? So most people are not excited about those types of returns. But if we go back and we look at the month of August, we see that it recovered a little bit, but we still only got 8.14%, which is not very great, right? So they know that this bot is not performing the way people expected, especially when on your presentations and on your documentation, it says up to 45% per month. That's nowhere close to this, right? So this is why they're saying, hey, look, we got to do something. September, it's been a straight up bust, right? In September, we haven't received any returns, and that's pretty bad, right? Let's face it, right, guys? When you enroll for Omega Digital and you funded your package, you understand that half of your package price or your package value went into the compensation plan and the other half went into the trading pool. That means that only half of your money is actually trading for you. Now, we were fine with that because we were going to earn up to 200% of your actual you will earn up to 200% of your actual package value, your total package value. So we were fine with that, right? But right now, this is not performing the way it should. But let's stay tuned. Tomorrow, once they release the announcements and everything that's going to go on, you guys know that I'm going to come back with a video and break it down for you to let you know if I really think this is something viable or if this is something that we should just skip over and continue on with some other program. As always, guys, I want you to look in my description. I list the platforms that are paying right now that I'm excited about, and I'm going to show you those in the description so you can take a look at those. I'm going to be doing reviews on those platforms as well, so that if you want to get involved with those, some solid platforms that are paying out consistently right now, that you can go ahead and get involved with those platforms. Okay, guys? Look, you know what our motto is. We're going to invest wisely. We will invest well, but we will only invest what we are willing to lose. And you know that we're investing for the opportunity to win. All right, guys, until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out.